What is up guys, it's Simon from pianopig.com, which if you haven't heard of yet, definitely go and check that out. In this video I'm going to show you how to play that left hand groove I was just playing. It's actually quite simple, and once you get the hang of it you can really start to play around with it and come up with your own bass lines and have different ways of playing the chords above. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So in terms of the chords, I'm just alternating between a minor 1 and a minor 4 chord. So in the key of C minor, the minor 1 chord would be C minor, and the minor 4 chord would be F minor. And for the voicings in the right hand, you can play what you want. I recommend playing around with it and trying to change it up. But what I was playing as a sort of framework to build upon was this. For the C minor, now that looks like a G minor 7 chord, but as a rootless voicing, it's actually a C sus 11. And for the F minor chord, I was just playing this, which is just an F minor 9 voicing. Or even this, which is exactly the same, just an inversion. So once you've got those chords down, we can get started with the left hand groove. So here it is. So let's break it down a little bit. For the first half, underneath the C minor chord, we have this. So we just play up the minor triad, jump up to the 9th, hit the root, and then come chromatically down to the F. And then for the second half, underneath the F minor chord, we have this. So the notes pretty much copy the same pattern. We start with the F, play up the minor triad, jump up to the 9th, and hit the root note. And if you want, you can slide up from the note below when you hit the 9th. So let's play it all together. So the second time round, just finish on the F, and then alternate between the two. So once you've got that down, the fun begins. You can start off by adding in the chords. Then you can play around where you decide to place the chords. You could add extra little bass fills. And once you're at this stage, you can pretty much just do whatever you want, really. Have fun with it. Add some licks from the C minor pentatonic scale, add some more rhythms with the chords in your right hand, add some more chords and change the voicings around. The list is endless. So what I'll do now is play through it a few times, just to give you some ideas of what you can do with it yourself. And if you like the sound of something I play, then try to copy it and integrate it into your own playing. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time.